On January 16th, Goa celebrates the historic opinion poll day as Asmitai Dis. Let us now continue on our journey to make ourselves aware about history created by Goans 57 years ago.
After Goa's liberation, the then Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru proposed that Goa, Daman and Diu would remain a union territory for 10 years, after which the people would decide their future. Following a 3-day satyagraha by Roque Santana Fernandes from Velim, the first elections for the Union Territory of Goa, Daman and Diu was held on December 9, 1963, to elect 30 MLAs.
At these elections, the MGP won 16 seats while the UGP won 12 seats. Buoyed by these results, MGP leader Dayanand Bandodkar, who was elected the first Chief Minister, proposed merging the Union Territory with neighbouring Maharashtra. However, Dr. Sequeira opposed it and lobbied hard, with Nehru reminding him of his promise, and pressed for a referendum as against the MGP's demand that the Legislative Assembly decide the matter.
Following Nehru's death on May 27, 1964, Lal Bahadur Shastri became the Prime Minister, and MGP along with Congress leaders from Maharashtra called on him to merge Goa with Maharashtra. Dr. Sequeira met Shastri with a delegation at Bangalore during the All India Congress Committee meeting and pressed against the merger.
Shastri died suddenly at Tashkent in 1966 and Indira Gandhi became the next Prime Minister. Dr. Sequeira met her along with then Congress President in Goa, Purushottam Kakodkar, and prevailed upon her to let the people decide their fate. Finally, the then President of India assented to the Goa, Daman and Diu opinion poll bill on December 16, 1966, and the date for holding it was fixed for January 16, 1967.
Those proposing the merger used mainly Marathi for their campaign and even brought cultural troops from Maharashtra to the campaign. To counter this, those opposing the merger used theatrists and even formed the Jaya Gomantak Kala Pathak, a special cultural troupe having mostly Hindus with Ulhas Bhayau leading it. Manohar Ray Sadesai's poems were converted into songs by Bhayau, to stir people to protect Goa and its identity, and those songs are popular even today.
A record 81.77% of the registered 388,432 voters cast their ballot at the historic opinion poll on January 16, 1967. Anti-merger won by a margin of 34,021 votes as it got 172,191 votes against the 138,170 cast in favor or merger. Significantly, Salsette was truly the turning point, as all 5 constituencies voted overwhelmingly against the merger, thus giving an unassailable lead of 40,275 votes.
In Benolim and Kertorim, not even 1,000 votes were cast in favor of merger, with Benolim recording the lowest vote of 629 for merger. In North Goa, Siolam, Aldona, and Mapsa, where the anti-merger votes were more than the pro-merger. While Sattari piled on the prop-merger votes, wiping out the anti-merger resistance, the tide turned from Panjim southwards, till it reached the southernmost constituency of Kanakona, where the pro-merger forces were ahead.
In this way, the United Goans Party, then opposition party led by Dr. Jack de Sequeira, won the referendum to maintain Goa's unique identity. That is why the day is observed as Asmitai Dis.
Has the goal of the fight for the independent existence of Goa been achieved? Has Goa remained for Goans? Has the dream of opinion poll leaders who gave the identity of Goa to the Goans come true?
Some people take advantage. Now everybody is taking advantage of that, because we have always welcomed people. We never knew when to put a stop. This was what was thought of during that opinion poll day, that once we get the identity of Goa, we will fight, stand together and preserve the culture of Goa. I have been part of promoting of this heritage of this land since the last almost about 20-25 years. And one thing that I have noticed is 99% Goans don't know 99% of Goa. And if that is the case, then the whole, the result of this opinion poll, that Goenkaranche has been lost totally, because people don't even know what is there. And if you don't know what is there, then what is the point in saying that you are a Goan? Well, to be very frank, we have not lived up to that expectation at all. The reason is, why was it that our forefathers who voted for Goa, to remain as Goa. What was the thing? Was to preserve the culture. Today we are expecting all other people to tell us what our culture is. We have got books written on Goa by foreigners and by outsiders. But yes, Goans have written, lots of them. I'm not saying no. But what about the new generation? That whole, the result of it, the conclusion of it is that opinion poll failed somewhere to instill that Goanness, which was won after such a big fight with a difference of 34,021 votes. We decided that we wanted to remain Goa, a separate entity. So I don't think it is there, because the present generation does not even know that one day we had an opinion poll for which people fought for.
ओपिनियन पोलाचें म्हत्व गोंयच्या लिबरेशना फाटोफाट आसा. हाचें कारण ओपिनियन पोलाक लागून आमची गोंयकारांची आयडेंटिटी एक खेरीत भाशेची आसा हें आमी दाखोवन दिलें. ती कसली आयडेंटिटी हें मागीर दाखयलें, पूण आमची आयडेंटिटी वेगळी आसा आनी देखून महाराष्ट्रांत आमकां विलीन करूंक जायना हें आमी ओपिनियन पोलांत दाखोवन दिलें. बरे मनीस, निवळ मनीस वेंचून दिले आनी तें सरकार जर निवळ तरेन बरे तरेन चल्लें जाल्यारच ही जी आमची सपनां आशिल्लीं ती खरी जावंक पावतली. ती पावची अशें आमकां दिसता. तें केन्ना घडटलें काय ना हें सांगूंक जायना.
आतां हो स्टॅच्यू जेन्ना हांगासर आसलो तेन्ना आमचो MLA अबावट 4 वर्सां फाटीं ताणें सांगलेलें हो स्टॅच्यू आपूण एसेंब्लीन घालता म्हणून. आयज बांदोडकाराचो स्टॅच्यू आहा भितर. आमचे जॅक स्पिकराचो स्टॅच्यू कित्याक ना? तो डेप्युटी स्पीकर आसलो, तो आपणाचें पद दवरलेलो ताणें, तो मिनिस्टर आसलो. आयज पासून जॅक स्पिकराचो स्टॅच्यू कित्याक ना? तसोच विजय सरदेसाय सांगतालो आपूण हो सगलो स्टॅच्यू एसेंब्लीन घालता म्हणून. आयज पासून कित्याक जावंक ना? फकत आस्वासनां दिवचे सोडात, काम करून दाखोवया. आमकां गोंयकारांक 40 आमदार म्हणून तांकां बसयलेले आसा. कोणायनूच ताका मान दिला एसेंब्लीन तांकां तेजो स्टॅच्यू घालपाक? फकत कालांगूट पंचायतीन पयलें स्टार्ट केलेलें आमचें.